Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, back with another job lead. Guys, the Home Depot is currently hiring, or as people in my group say, Home Depot. Home Depot is hiring shop jobs, too many roles to choose from. Select an option below to filter down roles to specific areas within the company, or use the search bar at the top to search by keyword. At Home Depot, no matter where you begin, you have the opportunity to grow your career and move throughout the company. They have stores for cashiers, from sales associates to freight teams and more. They have field, which is distribution centers, outside sales, drivers, and more. They have corporate, which is technology, e-commerce, and marketing. And as you could see, they have retail. These are how many retail stores they have. They have merchandising. This is what they have in store. They have warehouse here. That's your featured one there. And then here they have customer service and sales, outside sales, store leadership, driver and driver helper. They have tool technician, technology. That's also a featured one. Contact center. They have operations, supply chain logistics, communications, human resources. They have another feature one, which is field to SSC internships, marketing, finance and accounting, legal, merchandising, corporate, the company store, the quote center, the is it Black Locust, global custom commerce, contractors, warehouse. It says didn't find what you were looking for. Shop all jobs now. It said explore opportunities. They have all of these here. You have working at Home Depot, the culture, the diversity, equity, inclusion, benefits, non-discrimination policy, corporate information, military commitment, investor in relations, and HomeDepot.com. Help for disability assistance, contact us, and site map. So I just wanted to come and share with you guys that Home Depot is currently hiring. You know, I always type in my favorite word here at the top, which is remote. And it led me to 77 live results. So if you want to type in the job category that you're looking for to see if you can find a job within your area, you would just scroll through and choose where the jobs are located. Like majority of these jobs that are showing remote are in Georgia and California from what I see here. So I just wanted to share with you that they are currently hiring. So super congrats to anybody who gets one of these Home Depot jobs. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You know that I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for always liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are amazing. Most importantly, make it an amazing day for someone else, guys. Bye for now, friends. I'll see you in the next video.